Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Fenix. Now this here is their E30R. Now I was sent this by Fenix directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. It comes in this box. Now you can open the front door here, showing you a window to the light. You got some specs here, so let's go ahead and read those. And this puts out 1600 lumens on turbo. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, open this up, see what's in it. You get a brochure of other fine Fenix products. Get a warranty card. And we've got the user manual. Now Fenix has done a really good job with their manuals. Now I've also joined forces with Fenix here, and I'll be helping them out with their manuals in the future on the English portion, that is. This is our multi-languages, so they asked for my help and I went ahead and joined forces with them, so hope that'll help them out on the English portion of their lights. USB charging cable. Now this is magnetic. And you do have a lanyard and one O-ring in there. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. Now this is a really compact light for 1600 lumens. And the magnetic charging port just like that. And it is pretty strong. Strong enough to hold the weight of the light. Now this here you want to remove from the light. A reminder to remove the plastic piece that's on the battery in there so it'll charge and the light will work. And there it is. Now the clip here, you can remove it if you don't want it on there. It does have some resistance on there. Side switch. You can table stand this if you want, just like that. Now I really like the magnetic charging ports. A lot less chance of getting water into your light or dust. Now the style and design on this is very nice, very compact. And I like the way they did the copper look around the power switch and on the bezel. Now the grooves here on the body go all in one direction, but they are really smooth. So you definitely want to be careful when handling it with gloves. The machining and finish on this is excellent. No issues at all. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the special optics. Now this is running the SST40 from Luminous. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides of the light. There's the protection piece that you must remove. And then we're going to go ahead and show you the straight contact point on the head. Greased threads on that as well. There is a spring down inside, pretty heavy duty. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the battery that this comes with. It is a 3500 milliamp 18650. This is a protected cell, so it's going to give you plenty of power. This is a 10 amp cell, and it's going to give you plenty of run time as well. Adds a lot of value to this light. Now I like the fact that these kits are coming with their batteries, which oftentimes are the correct size and length, and you don't have to worry about buying a battery and then it not, being long enough. So if that's the case, this already comes with a very nice battery. Now if you do need the Fenix batteries, they do get a little on the expensive side. That's because they rewrap and put the protection pieces on there, so that's what the markup is. Buy OEM whenever you can, whenever possible. Alright, so now let's go through the UI. Now you can just click it one time quickly to see your battery level, and that will turn red when you are recommended to charge the battery. It'll start to blink when it gets critically low, and you won't be able to work the higher outputs. So you're going to turn that on. We're going to press and hold to activate the light, and then once you activate the light, you can simply click on the button. Whew, that is bright. We're going to put it about right there. You see it does have a hotspot, as you can see there. A lot of bleeding, and it just goes straight to the spill, and the spill tapers off. There's no cutoff there, as you can see. Yeah, that might lean a little more towards the floody side. And 1600 lumens, that's a lot of light. Man. And that's all there is to this. No special modes on it. Great size for EDC. Feels good. Feels solid. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Fenix E30R. Let's go ahead and get started. See how it does. 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. And it is faintly making 65 feet there, as you can see on the tree. There it is on the fence. I'll give you an idea. It's going to lean a little more towards the floody side. Let's go over here. quite making it to the tree of life. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Spill has really come alive. Nice wide spill. Nice hot spot on there. Give you some decent throw, especially for a little light like this. 65 feet to that tree. There it is again on the fence. Looking really good. Had a bug fly in my face there. And now we'll see if it's making the tree of life, and it is. Faintly making it. Alright. Now we're going to go to the next level here, see how it does. Really large spill on this. Didn't realize how wide it was, so I got out here. See, clear out my sides, even past my arm. Pretty good. Now it's doing a lot better there. As you can see, it come up on the fence. Still got it on the tree over here. See how the spill is way out there? Tree line, fence line. We're going to go up to the next level here. See how it does. Look at this. All from a little everyday carry. Compact too. It looks like they had some party out here or something. Kind of releasing some of the restrictions. So the park has been pretty alive out here. It is now 138 feet to that tree of life. Look at all this spill way out to the side and the hot spot on that tree. That's good coverage. Yeah. Very surprised. I'm really not surprised. Fenix makes really good lights, but very impressed. Alright, let's go to the next level here, see how it does. All coming from this little light. Usually making it to the school. Do a before and after here. Look at that. Huge. Before and after. This is great for EDC. Something put it right in your pocket. Pocket carry. Bugs are going nuts now. Easily making it to the playgrounds across the park. Having this big old 3500 milliamp battery helps out. Let's do a beam profile here behind my hand. Get an idea on how wide this beam is. Now just step down, and that's normal due to heat. And now we'll go back up to the highest output here. Now this is hot, so we're going to go back up. Highest output again. Finish the beam profile here. And it's not designed to stay on turbo for long periods of time, but look at that beam. Fence line, tree line. And the head is very hot. So we'll come back over here on the tree of life. We'll end it here. Excellent. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Excellent performance on this, especially for its size. Really strong performance. A nice wide spill on there, very surprising. Not too surprised as far as the beam type because of the special optics, but that luminous SST40 really does an excellent job. I'm seeing more and more of them being in flashlights, and they've got a lot of different types of LEDs that are coming out in the market, so they're really pushing. And also look forward to seeing more Samsungs as well. So like the fact that you can clip this on your side if you want to carry it with you. The big plus is the magnetic charging. It's really strong. I mean, you know, good strong base on that, you know, to hold the light up. Easy to find the sweet spot. Really a big plus on that. Alright, well, I want to thank Fenix for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need in this box, gets you started outside the box. I'm going to leave a link to the fenixstore.com, and I'll also leave a discount code there, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Fenix Lights EDCs to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.